A. I'm happy with I, like a puppy that's wagging its tail. I'm sticking with I, and soon we'll be on the trail. I'm with I, together we were setting sail. Yes, my name is... I can't do it. And when Magic E does his magic on me, and we play a little game. I can bake a cake, land on a snake. He can make me say my name. My name is A. Yippee! Thank you, friends. I couldn't have done it without you. When I'm with Y, we say A. When I'm with I, we say A. And when Magic E does his magic on me, we say A. So what do you say, team? You're on the A-team. And with you by my side, I'm gonna be A-okay. Why are you making that noise? I'm not a jaybird, am I? No. Then what am I? Let's jolly well find out. Jam. Am I jam, all sweet and smelling of strawberries? If I'm not jam, then what am I? Jar. Am I a jar? A jar for putting things in? Where is everybody? If I'm not a jar, then what am I? J. Am I a jaybird? I can fly. She can fly. Up to the sky, I can see. She can swim. It's a beautiful thing. Tell us why. Haven't you heard? I am a real jaybird.
Welcome to the Race Around Alphaland Challenge! Run, ride or row. Race any way you can.
A and B, you are the plucky pair that must get back over that line before the sun sets. There are plenty of pals who will point you the right way.
Ready?
Absolutely. Bursting to begin.
Run all the way. You need to catch a ride. Cab. A taxi cab. Come on. Amazing. We'll soon arrive at the finish.
Bother, it's burst.
You can't stop now. Carry on.
That puncture puts them in a pickle.
Rotten luck.
Brilliant. You and S can help.
I see someone.
Oh, hello.
we?
How do we get there?
Bus!
A bus!
Amazing!
All aboard! Brilliant!
Sat. So, now that we've all sat down, what shall we do?
Tea. Cup of tea. Typical.
So, sorry, sagging again.
Mine.
No way, Em.
Me, N, to me!
Mine. Your turn in the middle, eh?
Man.
Marvelous. Yummy.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Come on, N!
No.
Come on!
T, did you see the gingerbread man?
The gingerbread man? Time for you-know-what.
Mat. Magic mat. Marvelous. Catch the gingerbread man.
Cat. Cute cat.
Here, Tiddles.
Amazing.
Here, Tiddles.
Adorable. She's so affectionate. Achoo!
I'm allergic to cats. Achoo!
Oh!
Help me get away from the cat.
What's all that din? Can I join in? Cod.
I have to get away from the cat. Achoo!